Welcome to the Pacific Northwest coast.
I don't think my rain jacket works very well.
This week, it's all about chasing the unpredictable weather along the coast. We're talking torrential rain 1 minute and stunning sunsets the next. From the rugged shores of Grayland Beach to the iconic towns of Cannon Beach and Seaside, every stop was an adventure. Plus, we captured some incredible drone footage that'll make you want to pack your bags and hit the road. You don't want to miss this. We had a very short 1 week stay here in Auburn, Washington to visit Jason's kids. And now we are heading to Grayland?
Westport. Yeah, Grayland
State Park on the coast of Washington. So we are only going to be there for 3 nights. It is a Sunday. We leave on Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yep, 3 nights. So anyways, let's go check it out. Hopefully we don't have all rain the whole time, but here we are leaving. So we are at Grayland Beach State Park, and we're staying here for 3 nights. And today is supposed to be the only day that is not raining, so I don't think we're going to get out and explore much in the couple days that we're here. But we decided to walk out to the beach because it's not raining right now. We just arrived, it's almost sunset, and as you can see, there is nothing to see. It is quite foggy. Yeah, we're gonna go see what there is to see. We have almost made it to the ocean. It is right there. We can see it. I'm a little bit nervous about, that's where we need to go when we leave here to get back to the trailer. It is almost dark though. I can't see where the trees are, what berm it is we need to go up. No idea, so hopefully we make it back. Otherwise, this will make for a very interesting story.
When there was a sign when we came in that said each mushroom hunter can only have 2 gallons of mushrooms per day. Had no idea why there would be a limit. This is crazy. There's mushrooms everywhere.
Are we gonna die if we eat these mushrooms? Maybe we shouldn't eat them, huh? Okay, so we are here in Westport, Washington. We're only here for a couple days, and it is nasty weather. But we're gonna drive into town, go for a drive and see what there is to see. We are driving in the water. Or on the beach, on the way to the water. We'll see how much further Jason goes, because he hates sand, and especially sand on his truck.
Yeah, I'm not driving any further.
No further. But look at that. We're out on the beach. Meow meows, hi. Hi meows. Hi. Oh, there's cat food and stuff in there.
Cats. Donate cat food.
Both Jason and I grew up on the coast of Alaska and Oregon. And this is so much like home. It smells like home. It looks like home. Yeah.
What happened?
I don't think my rain jacket works very well.
No.
I'm soaking wet. Look at that.
We're not in the desert.
All right, this is us leaving.
Grayland Beach State Park, and we are heading to Nehalem Bay State Park, a couple 2 or 3 hour drive south on the Oregon coast.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
We're almost there, boys! Hi, we're almost there!
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel.
A little bit of movement in here, but not too bad. So we forgot our pressure regulator at one of our recent campgrounds, so we're actually going to fill up our tank instead of hooking up directly to the water here because we don't want to blow a PEX line on accident. So might as well just use the tank since that's what it's there for.
You guys ready to go inside? Are you ready to go inside?
We just arrived at Nehalem Bay State Park, and now we're walking to the beach, which is a short distance from our camp spot.
I saw you walking the line, and the truth.
This is like a 3-minute walk from our camp spot. Isn't that amazing? You ready to go for a walk, baby? Let's do it. Oh, he's trying so hard to see what that buoy is. Oh no, he's so wet. Well, we came across this whale carcass. It's been here a little while, I think. I'm pretty sure it's a whale because of there at the end you can kind of see the fin, the tail fin on the left and right there. Anyways, isn't that crazy? Ugh. All right, we made it to the jetty. We left from our camp spot and it's about 3 miles, I believe. We're just over 3 miles to get down here to the jetty. So looks like we'll probably be doing about, I don't know, probably 6.5-ish round trip. But Beautiful, beautiful day for a lovely walk. We are starting our trek back to the RV. Hopefully it's not pitch black when we get back. What's wrong with the map, honey?
Oh, just
A little bit wet from your swim?
a little bit of reading.
Hi guys.
So amazing. These
Hi.
monsters, animals, like,
Hello. We just saw elk. There they are. We're just on our walk back. And there they be. This is so cool. There are elk everywhere. Oh my god, now we see a deer. Ah, this is so cool. We are just entering the horse camp area of our camp of Nehalem Bay State Park. And there are dozens of elk right here. So cool. Our plan today is to go to Seaside, get some lunch, get some burr, and see the famous Haystack Rock of Cannon Beach. And yeah, hopefully the weather holds out on us because it's kind of supposed to be off and on today, but we'll find out. Thanks, baby.
Speed rush on the outside as well. We got a camera on that guy.
Ooh, clam chowder, fish tacos. It is really, really nasty out right now. Jason was just noticing that this far rock has a lighthouse on it. Like, how cool is that?
The lighthouse, the rock, and the restaurant all fit the doubloon.
We are heading to Haystack Rock. So we're in Cannon Beach, and it actually has a break in the weather right now, so we're walking to the beach to see what it's like. There she be. We're here. We are heading to Tillamook Cheese Factory. Cheese! We came too late. They're done working for the day. Oh well. Still pretty cool to see and read about though. Caramel toffee crunch and a holiday sugar cookie. We just had a quick stop at Tillamook Creamery. Got a little bowl of ice cream. It was yummy. Cheddar. Got some cheddar.
Fire.
It is our last day at Nehalem Bay State Park. It has been raining for the last 4 days straight, I think, pretty much. But we did have a few beautiful days here while we were here for a week. and we are out on our last little morning walk before we head out tomorrow. It is a beautiful day today so far.
So far, so good.
Hopefully it stays that
Only
way.
8 o'clock.
It is early yet. So, ooh, pretty. So tomorrow we are heading to Cape Blanco State Park down between Coos Bay and Brookings, Oregon, on the southern Oregon coast. Yeah. So an area of Oregon that neither one of us have ever been to. So looking forward to exploring somewhere new, and hopefully we have a few beautiful days while we're there. We modified our travel plans, and our original 5 weeks on the Oregon coast is now 3 weeks. So we are going to spend a week and a half at Cape Blanco State Park, and then we are going to haul it down to Joshua Tree National Park over a weekend. So it's going to be a crazy travel weekend, but we are tired of bundling up like this. Right, baby?
Not why we're here.
Let's be honest, it's not really we, it's him. Okay, I'm tired of it too, but he's more tired of it, so. Anyhow.
I quit.
Jason says, enough of this. So, anywho, that is the plan. That's what we're doing. So, yay!
Our coastal adventure isn't over yet, so be sure to subscribe and follow along for more stunning views and new explorations.